ever made. I'll toss you like a frag grenade. I'll stop you in the face with my sandals and rage tonight with your rhyming shade. You puny fans of fat nerds on computers, jerking up the games, giving themselves first-person shooters. Your armor's hard, but my abs are harder. You're in my hood now, Chief. This is Sparta! Not so fast. Cortana says you're Greek, so why don't you stick these lyrics up your ass? Stick a monument to my sins. You're the soldier that needs you to be. Ain't no way that you could be me. Even my initials spell MC. While you and your companions were all camping in a canyon, took a campaign to your house and showed your queen my plasma cannon. They should have thrown your rhymes over the cliff because they're sickly. You will not enjoy this, but it will be over quickly. I've been better battles with my 6-year-old son. I don't need firepower when I'm rocking these guns. I'm Kane. You sleep in a freezer in outer space. I look you in the eyes. We get too much of a bitch to show your face. You got a bad case of no shirt there, Fabio Flintstone. Your whole plan got messed up by a hunchback with Down syndrome. 300 asses need a kicking. Get more teabags and Lipton. So why don't you quit your bitching? My trigger fingers itching. Hold on! Hold snap! Jonathan! George Washington! There's a difference between you and me, Willie. I fought till I was actually free, Willie. I got my face on a quarter, you got drawn in quarter. Tortured on the orders of a king, really? How's it get beef I do name Dawson? Your hot dog didn't cut off your beef rings. I'm money like a national band. Ain't nobody more street than Big G. Stone face with a grill and sheep king. A Mel Gibson movie is your legacy.